Hello Cancer, you are tuned into Ruhani Guidance and this is your weekly prediction from 17th August to 23rd August 2020. Please take whatever resonates and leave the rest as these are general energies and this may or may not resonate with you. For personalized readings, you can reach to me. My email is mentioned in the description box below. So Cancerians, please pay attention to the reading today because this has a lot of elements to be covered. So you are generally starting a new phase of your life where you might actually draw your attention out of your relationship or your work, mostly your relationship, and you will just enjoy and live in the moment for now because I think you've been too stressed about your relationship. You've been thinking a lot about your relationship, and that is what has caused a lot of stress. You are manifesting a lot of negativity, and you're very tired thinking about the future of your relationship. So I think now is the time where you will actually get onto an adventure, and you will sort of just like detox yourself. Um, on the love front, you might be talking to other people. You might be sort of putting yourself first before the other person, and you will be thinking a lot about yourself in a relationship. This could be because you might feel that your options is limited. You might feel that you don't have enough time to wait for a person, and this might be causing you a lot of stress for your life. But again, Cancerians, this is all in your head. This is not the reality. This is not something. It's not a very big deal as much as you've made it in your head. So, I would advise you to actually calm down on this and think about it more rationally. On the work front, you have a wish fulfillment, you've got the star, and you've got mind. So you have found new communication ideas. You've probably found new ways of putting your ideas around to the people. This could especially be for people who are in the entertainment industry. Could be for people who are actively associated with social media or the camera, or any sort of media, anywhere where you have to actually present yourself. But you have definitely discovered new ways of putting your talent across, and this will actually be so much that you will really need some time out. You will have to write down your best ideas, think about it, contemplate, and select the best out of those. You have a lot of ideas. This is not even letting you sleep. But this is what you wanted. This is a wish fulfillment for you, and this has definitely worked out for you. On the health front, Cancerians, you are suggested to start a new diet because you've been keeping really unwell and unhealthy, and it's really advisable that now you start a new diet. This can also indicate that you could have some issues with your teeth or your lower teeth or your joints, or something to do with arthritis. Um, if you are facing something of that sort, then I would recommend that you take a lot of rest this week. Start a new diet that helps you clear off your toxins because we've got detox time. Release toxins from your body, mind, and diet. From Archangel Gabriel. And for the love advice, we've got past life relationship. You have known each other before. So whatever you're going through is really karmic, and mostly for a lot of you, this person will stay in your life irrespective of what it is. So this could be like a very temporary situation where you're feeling very left out, and it's time to take back control of your life. So do something for yourself and feel that relief. So Cancerians, if this resonates with you, please write to me in the comment section below. And for personalized readings, you can always write to me. And until I do the next reading, stay home, stay safe, share Ruhani Guidance, and stay tuned to Ruhani Guidance.